Hey folks, MACT Garage, and I have some MOOG problem solvers that I'm going to be installing on my 2005 Toyota Highlander, and I just wanted to go over a quick review on the parts in case you're wanting to buy these parts. You can know because I have a little bit of experience with these MOOG problem solver sway bar links. That's right. And let's go ahead and start looking at them and give a quick review so you know what you're getting if you decide to make the decision to buy the MOOG problem solvers for your Toyota Highlander. And I don't know what all the years of the first generation are, but these will fit that. But this is specifically I got for my 2005 Toyota Highlander all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, whatever you want to call it, with the V6. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to do and what we have for a product and see if it'll work. First things first, here we have the MOOG problem solvers, and they are part number K90344. As you can see right there, we'll put that right up there. That is the part number that you're going to be wanting to get. And what we come with is one. You get one per box, and you need two, so you'd have to buy two of these. And you just go ahead and pull it open, and the first thing we notice is, look at that. That's right, grease fittings, so you can grease these bad boys. So got one on each end. Now the other part of the problem solvers is this part right here. You can put a wrench on these. You can undo them. With the factory installed ones, you have that little Allen end on there, and I guarantee you when I go to replace these that are actually on my Highlander right now, I'm going to have to cut them. So what I'm going to have to do is cut them off right about here, because that'll strip out. That Allen head, it will strip out when I'm trying to undo the nut on here. So generally I buy new ones whenever I'm going to be working with these, and get rid of them because you can reuse these. Once you install these on here, if you got to take your suspension apart again to replace anything, you can just simply unbolt these, keep them greased, and they'll last probably the lifetime of your vehicle. They're pretty heavy duty as far as things go, and of course pretty stiff, so they're going to move just a little bit. But as soon as you install them, you just squeeze a little bit of grease in each one of these, tighten them up, and you're pretty good to go. There's no right or left on these as far as that goes. One part number for both sides. I'm going to say that you're going to find that these are good parts. So not going to dwell on this too long as far as what you need to know about these parts, other than the fact that, hey, they're problem solvers for a reason, and this is one of the main reasons, and of course greasable. So you can service them and try to make them last longer. But folks, this is the MOOG problem solvers as far as the sway bar links go for your 2005 Toyota Highlander. Hope that you find some valuable information on this quick parts review on here and see that, hey, they're made pretty good. As far as everything goes, you should have some really good luck installing these and reusing them whenever you need to do that. So this is MACT. Remember, like, subscribe, MACT Garage on YouTube. Also Facebook group MACT on Facebook. That's right, MACT Garage on Facebook. And of course, go to the website mactgarage.com for all your other parts needs for other things and information. But as with all things, my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side.